This is how to get the exchange rate on a certain date in Google Sheets. We are going to use the Google Finance function, and the first parameter is going to be currency. After the semicolons, we need to enter the currency that we want to exchange from, which in my case, it's USD. And let's say that we want to exchange it to Swiss francs. So the second one would be the symbol for the Swiss franc. And when I close the parentheses and I hit enter, this is going to load the exchange rate from USD to Swiss francs for today. But if we want to get it for a certain date, we need to add more parameters. The second one being the price, and the third one being the date for which we want to do this. So let's say that I want to do it for last Thursday, which is the 13th of August 2026. And when I hit enter, I get this table. Now, this is not really useful because you very likely want just this number over here. So we can wrap this up with the index function, add the number 2 for rows because we want to get it from the row number 2, and number 2 for columns. Similarly, we want it from the second column. So this is going to give us our number. And so with this, we can start making our calculations. If we have dollars over here and we want Swiss francs over here, then we simply multiply it and we get the value of the Swiss franc. Of course, this doesn't have the correct number format, but we can see we can change it very easily over here. So this is how to do it. This is how to get the exchange rate on a certain date in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and see you later.